Hello everyone, we're standing here today at the World Hydrogen Summit organized by the Sustainable Energy Council. My name is Johan Wiebe, Executive Director of the Hydrogen Standard. With me here today stands Jan Gehrmann from Aerzen. Welcome Jan.
Yes, welcome. Thanks for having me, Johan.
Fantastic to have you. We're standing here at their site, at their stand so to speak, and we're all very excited to hear more about what it is that Aerzen does and also your role in the business.
Yeah, thanks. Welcome at Aerzen. So we are a family-owned compressor manufacturer from Germany, and we offer a wide range of products in the low-pressure compression, covering air applications, gas applications, and of course hydrogen too. For example, we are the market leader in the low pressure applications of air, including wastewater treatment or pneumatic transport. But there is a lot more. There is a process gas division, and we have an engineer to order business, so we address almost every kind of engineering projects that deal with compression. And my personal role is the product management of those screw compressors here, either oil-free or oil-injected screw compressors, depending on project requirements.
Well, considering that that application is focused on hydrogen and we're at a hydrogen fair, it almost gives the answer to the question, why are you guys here?
Yes, today I'm with my Dutch colleagues from Aerzen, Netherlands, and our mission is to promote our latest product line that was designed for the pure compression of green hydrogen right from the electrolysis. No matter if it's a PEM or an alkaline electrolyzer, we want to be the very first compressor to boost hydrogen to a higher pressure.
So we're standing here at the VRW compressor, screw compressor. Maybe I got it right. There's many benefits, obviously, to this piece of machinery. Tell us a little bit what those are.
Yeah, thanks, Johan. So the machine concept has been designed to follow a electrolyzer as a first booster compressor. So there are some benefits we need to talk about. So first of all, we are going to compress a wet saturated gas. That means there is no drying equipment in between or anything up front that compressor. It directly follows the electrolyzer, and that simplifies lives of planners, project engineers and end users. So point number one. Point number two is the maintenance interval has been designed to achieve at least 2 years, maybe 3 years, depending on net operational hours. So only after 2 or 3 years you need a very first planned shutdown to look at the bearings and to maybe change some spare parts. So from a spare part point of view, we are at least 5 times better than competing technologies. So it's an, let's say, made for duration and made for trouble-free 24/7 operation for at least 2 years or so. Then next point is a smooth operation. Screw technology has the benefit of low pulsation operation because we don't have free mass forces inside the machine. We have turning rotors. That means there is no oscillating mass force that creates a pulsation, and that brings us to an absolute low risk of unplanned downtime. So you can expect an availability and an uptime of that machine of almost 100%. The machine design comes in stainless steel because we compress a wet hydrogen, but you can expect a 20 years lifetime from the stainless steel housings and rotors.
Fantastic. So this compression machine is obviously used in the hydrogen industry, but maybe we shift a little bit towards the focus of Aerzen in sort of other parts of the net zero, the energy transition, and where your machinery is being utilized. Can you tell us a little bit more on that?
Yes, because of this wide portfolio we provide at Aerzen, so that includes blowers, that includes several screw compressors. We of course address more applications than only hydrogen. So for example, it's about the compression of the oxygen as a byproduct from the electrolysis. So I always raise my hand when it comes to large projects. What do you do with the oxygen, and is there an off-taker or a consumer close by? If yes, we can provide a nice blower to boost that oxygen to a close-by off-taker. That's number one. Number two is, of course, CO2 compression. So all these CO2 sources, for example, in the port of Rotterdam, needs to be gathered and pre-compressed, maybe into a pipeline, before it is stored in terms of CCS. So all these emitters of CO2 need compressors, and screws are used for CO2 compression too. Last not least is biogas and natural gas compression. So blowers as well as compressors are used in a wide range for synthetic natural gas, or for dirty biogas, or for CO2 plus hydrogen. All these applications Aerzen is really familiar with over the past years. Yeah.
Fantastic, Jan Gehrmann. That was a lot of information to digest. It's great to see the machinery in action, so to speak, and to know that you guys are active in much more than the hydrogen space. Thank you so much for your time.
Yes, thank you, Johan, and have a great event. Yeah.
Thank you. You too.